No.
बस बस ना भाई फ्री डाउन
Thanks.
A very good evening to one and all. It gives me great pleasure to release my small booklet of works done during the 2 terms that I represented Kortali constituency as its MLA. And I feel happy and I feel proud because I can, by looking at the works that I have done, I myself feel that I have been focused on serving the people of the constituency. Now, before you go through the brochure, I would like to say that in the brochure, in this little booklet, the works done are classified as major projects or works that are completed, other works completed, and services provided, ongoing major projects. The previous major projects are the completed projects. This is about the ongoing major projects and works, and major projects and works in process. So this little booklet has it all, and I would, because very often the people of the constituency are not aware what works are being taken up in the other villages. One may be aware what is happening in your own village, but you may not be aware, and this booklet has been published precisely for the benefit of all my constituents of Kortali constituency that I represented for 2 terms, so that they know what work I have done for their benefit. Thank you.
Madam, what are some of the major works that have been completed?
Well, I think first of all I would like to say that the works have been classified village-wise, and in every village we have major projects. Like for example, in the major projects in Kasauli, Arosi, Kueli, widening, hot mixing and beautification of the road MDR from Kasauli to Verna, leading to National Highway 17. The cost is also mentioned in the booklet. The cost is 5.20 crores. Hot mixing of MDR from Pale Junction in Belsound village via Kasauli village up to Park Hyatt Hotel in the village of Arosi. The cost of the work, rupees 3.16 crores. Another major work is the construction of Riampaz Road from Kueli to Kasauli in Verna, the cost being rupees 80 lakhs 67,000. And then it goes on, other works. There are, in every village, there are major works that have been taken up and completed, and there are also ongoing works. So even though I am no longer representing Kortali constituency, I am very happy to say that some of my works, especially hot mixing of the roads, is still going on. In fact, I think...
yeah, right now we have a hot mixing going on in Vidyanagar colony, the main road from the junction to MS College. And yesterday we had the inauguration of another works, which was the one in the railway colony. So, and it's going to be continuously now. All the works have been initiated by ma'am, and they are taking place now.
One of the visible development that we can see is the Kasauli Health Center. What about Kala Bhavan, madam? It is an ongoing project, or?
Yes, as you know, Kala Bhavan was lying there, untended and unattended, and frankly, I was not in favor of taking up this project. But then, at the request of our ex-Chief Minister, late Sir Parrikarji, I decided to take up. I decided because he requested me. Because he told me a lot of money has already been spent on this project and we cannot, allow it to go to waste, and so you have to do it. So then I had to say yes. So I took up the works, and then we had to first go do things legally. So unfortunately, when we took up the work, the project to continue with the work, we realized that there was no parent department for this project. And when we tried to, get some departments, to take responsibility, everybody said no. All the departments said no. You complete the work and then hand it over. That's what art department said. Okay. So then I was at a loss, and I think we almost lost more than a year in that process, until once again our Sir Parrikar stepped in, and then he somehow managed to get GSIDC to take charge of the project and continue with the work. And I am happy to say that yes, we have been focused on this Kala Bhavan. Things are happening. If you go there, you will see that the compound is almost done. Of course, all the other benefits, provisions made in the Kala Bhavan are almost completed. But the auditorium, which is the main part of the Kala Bhavan and requires a lot of special attention, that work is still going on, but surely it will be completed in another few months.
Madam, even that new market complex at Zuari Nagar, I think it is almost ready.
Yes, I'm very happy to say that the market complex, Zuari Nagar market complex, is almost completed, and it will be a great benefit to the people of Zuari Nagar. And I would like to inform the people of Zuari Nagar that about, I think maybe 5-6 months ago, I made a change in the entire plan of the Zuari Nagar project, especially thinking of the people of the area because of the ongoing pandemic. And I realized that the most urgent need at the moment are medical services. And therefore, the first floor, which had, the library and the meeting point and other facilities of this nature, we realized that we could do away with these facilities, and the entire floor is taken up as a sub-health center, wherein we'll be having 2 rooms for beds, a doctor's room, a check-up room, then testing, all the health testing that goes on, pharmacy. All this will be available in this first floor, and I think the number of beds will be around 10 beds. So this is a facility, much needed facility for the people of the area.
Madam, with COVID spike as of now and the state announcing elections, do you think it is right to have elections at this point of time when there is a lot of spike of COVID cases? Or you think that you all would submit a amendment to delay the elections for further?
Well, I think that is a very, very responsible decision which has to come out from the concerned authorities. There is no denying that there is definite spike in the number of cases happening every day. We have to be very cautious, and I am quite sure the authorities will take the right stand. Whatever the authorities decide has to be followed.
What about the tenements? Tenements? Who is taking the credit?
Slum areas.
Slums area.
What happened?
Yeah. Who's taking?
Yeah.
So what is the question?
The ongoing issue of the Zuari, that slums area, the tenements rights is being given by whom?
Rise in the case.
Tenements.
The housing board tenement.
Housing board.
Rise in cases.
Housing board tenements right.
Housing board
Hmm.
tenements.
Hmm.
Now,
What is the issue it is all about? Yeah. What is the
Allotment? Are you saying
I am
allotment?
not very familiar with this question.
Ma'am, he is saying, madam, that ongoing issue, madam, on the tenements at Lamani Point, what is saying?
Those, I'm
Those.
sorry,
Yeah.
definitely.
Yeah.
The tenements, yes, and I would like to make it known that this file, to ensure that these housing board tenements are handed over to the 49 families, this was done during the time when, Sri Parrikar was the chief minister, and it was my move, okay? I placed the file before him. I requested that these tenements be handed over to the people who are occupying this. And then what happened was, and the file was passed, the resolution was also notified, okay, in the government gazette, but other issues cropped up, like, payment of water bills, electricity bills between housing board and IDC. And precisely for these two reasons, again, it took a little bit longer, but even here, I was also very much intervening to ensure that everything happened. And I think Mr. Subhash Shirodkar, he played a very important role in solving this issue with respect to overdues that the residents of the colony had to pay. And finally, it has been settled. Now, I would also like to say that there was a backlog that each one had to pay, something like, I think it was certain number, 13 lakhs or something. And I think the minister for housing board intervened and decreased the amount. Okay? But the file was moved for getting the tenements in the names of the people residing in the tenements, was moved by me. It was notified in the official gazette in 2016. Okay? However, these issues related to bills to be settled between the two departments took a while, until once again I stepped in. I requested Mr. Subhash Shirodkar to do the needful, and he was kind enough to get the file moving. Now, as I said, one issue, that the amount that they had to pay was done by the Minister for Housing. And also, the big question that I would like to ask is, in what way does Girish Pillai come into the picture? I mean, there should be some truth and some sense in what we do and in what we speak.
But he's taking up the credit that the Sakpa Sarpanch.
Well, he can claim credit on whatever he wants. Fortunately, we are people with a mind that is knowledgeable, can think and reason out.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Siddesh, you can.
आयज मॅडम मालिना सालदाना याने आपल्या कामाचे बुकलेट सुवाळो केल्लो आसा आनी खूब खोशी भोगता की जेन्ना बूक हातीन धरलो जेन्ना 12th सायन्स जर्नल बी धरताले खबर आसा तितलो हेवी असो दिसता पळय तो तसो असो दिसलो म्हाका तो म्हळ्यार हेका पयल्यारच कळटा कितलेशे कोटीशे काम आसतलें अशें आनी जेन्ना एक आमदारान हेल्थ एज्युकेशन लायट वॉटर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी शेतकारांचो इश्यू सारखे बरे प्रमाणान हेतून मांडिल्ले आसा जशें की तुमी पळयला की 11 kVची आतां पळयतालो हांव 11 kVचे अंडरग्राउंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वर्क मेजर सक्सेस सगळ्यांची मेजर सक्सेस हो तुमी पॉयंट घेतलो हेल्थ सेंटर केन्ना आमी त्या वाटेच्यान जेन्ना हांव मदीं ह्या दिसांनी येतालो फाटल्या दिसांनी अशें दिसता की खंय तरी बरें पेजात प्रायवेट हॉस्पिटलशें पूण जेन्ना भितर गेलो विचारले सायडीन कितें काय म्हणल्यार हेल्थ सेंटर म्हणटात जेन्ना लोकांच्या हेल्थाचो किंवा एक आयुश्याचे बद्दल कोण चिंतता तेज्याची व्हडले सक्सेस खंयच्या तरी आमदाराक आसना आनी तेजेर कळटा की हेजें विजन कितें तें आनी विजन म्हाका दिसता मॅडमीन उलोवपाची गरज ना जेन्ना हो बूक हातीन पडटलो हो बूक हातीन धरतकच अशें आतां हांवूच धरलो न्ही जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता खंयच्याय आमदाराच्या कामाचो बूक इतलो हातीन धरलो नासतलो म्हणल्यार असं दिसता की आतां पयलीं आमी जात्रेचे किंवा फेस्ताचे बुकलेट येताले एड्साचो बी तसो तो सुद्दां बारीक आसता पूण हांव कामाचें इतलें वजन पडलां की म्हाका दिसता उलोवपाची गरज ना ह्या बाबतींत मॅडम हेज प्रूव्ड आमदार जाले म्हणून जायना आनी सरपंच जाले म्हणून जायना क्रेडिबिलिटी फुक्याची मेळटा ती कोणीय घेता पूण काम करून क्रेडिबिलिटी मेळटा तेका वालोर आसता समज सगळें काम करून समज आयतले रिबन कट करपाक समज कोणी वता न्ही ती क्रेडिबिलिटी न्ही तेणी याद दवरपाची गरज आसा देवूय आसा आनी तूं एक दीस नाडपाक शकता 2 दीस फटोवपाक शकता एक दीस असो येता सत्य हे मुखार येतलें आनी मॅडमीन जें काम केलां लोकांच्या खातीर जें केलां त्या 70 फॅमिली खातीर जें केलां त्या लोकांक खबर आसा आयज काम करून झेरॉक्स मारून पेपर कोणी व्हरोन दिता म्हणून जायना फाल्यां हांवें समज हांगच्यान आयलो मडगांवच्यान आयलो किंवा नावेलीच्यान आयलो मॅडमीचे कामाचे पेपर घेवन समज हांव व्हरोन वाटपाक लागलो अशें जायना की हांव करता म्हणून तें सो तेणी विसरपाक जायना कोण करता तेणी की मॅडमीन केल्लें काम म्हणल्यार इन शॉर्ट तो मनीस इनडायरेक्टली मॅडमीक सपोर्ट करता कितें म्हणून मॅडमीचें काम आपूण कम्या प्रमाणान लोकां कडेन कसो पावयतलो हें माध्यम तो मनीस जाल्लो आसा सो हेतून कांयच दुबाव ना अशीच मॅडमीची कामां मुखार पावय पूण तेतूंत भितर मॅडमीचें नांव घे की केलां म्हणून आनी जशें तुवें दुसरो प्रश्न विचारलो इलेक्शन कमिशनराचो आयज पंजाबाचो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिशनर इज टेस्टेड पॉझिटिव्ह कळ्ळें सो हे आतां इलेक्शन कमिशनर जे गोंयचे आसा तेजेय टेस्टिंग करपाची गरज आसा तेचे वांगडा भोंवता तेंचीय टेस्टिंग करपाची गरज आसा कित्याक इलेक्शन मतां मारतले एक दिसाचो प्रश्न न्ही तेंच्या घरांत आशिल्ले फॅमिलीचेय हें 16 बूथ वाडयले म्हणून जायना 16 बुथाची कितें सेक्युरिटी आसता तीय इम्पॉर्टंट सो म्हाका दिसता इलेक्शन जालें म्हणून जायना सरकारान रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवन कशें करतले हें इम्पॉर्टंट जशें मॅडमीन म्हणलां की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाची गरज आसा आनी म्हाका दिसता मॅडम हेज्या मुखार आतां तूं इतलो केला आम आदमी जिखून येतकच म्हाका दिसता डायरेचो सायज 365 days 365 वर्क्स ही कंप्लीट जावपाक कांयच दुबाव ना सो लोकां कडेन मागता की मॅडमी वांगडा रावचें आनी जसो सांगात पयलीं दिला मातानी सराकय दिल्लो मॅडमीकय दिला असो मुखार उरतलो हेतून कांयच दुबाव ना
भाई सेकंड लिस्ट ऑफ कॅन्डिडेट आज आम आदमी पार्टीन डिक्लेअर केला कशें पळयता तुमी
Very good.
सेकंड
सी एक कशें आसा कितें आसा काय म्हणून पयलीं जाल्यार तुमी आमच्या लिस्टार सामान्य मनशाची नांवां आसा अशें ना की तेंचे बँक बॅलन्स अब्जोपती करोडपती अरबपती ते ना तांकां तूं वचून इजिली म्हणपाक मेळटा बाबा मातसो हांगा आनी ते येवपाक शकता तुमच्या थंय आमी क्लियर कट हे कितें विनेबिलिटी क्रेडिबिलिटी न्ही आमी कशें चिंतला जो मनीस सिन्सियरली काम करता पक्षा खातीर तशेंच लोकांच्या खातीर उल्याक सदांच उबो आसता त्या प्रमाणान ह्या लिस्टार नांवां आयला एंड पीपल आनी टीम ऑफ आम आदमी इज फायनली फुल्ली हॅपी विथ वॉट एवर लिस्ट हेज कम आउट
Can I just say
Yes.
Yeah.
I would just like to thank Siddesh Bhagat for all the good things that he has said, and I'm looking forward to, to working like I normally do in a very focused manner, because the future belongs to the young, and it is for us seniors to ensure the future of the young.
I would just like to add that Madam Alina, she really works hard. And she's working 24/7. Even we don't have the energy levels to keep up with her. She's always on the move, and she personally gets involved in the work. Like the only person I know who used to do this is Mr. Parikar. He used to also go and personally monitor the work, what is happening. And she does the same. And for the last 10 years she's been doing, and we know 100% now when she gets elected for the next 5 years also, she will give us a lot of development in Kottali constituency. That is guaranteed for us.